Hi everyone, my name is Fo, and this week I had a failed hairstyle. I attempted to do mini twists on my hair, and I don't think I have quite enough hair for that yet, and I just really didn't like the look of twist on my hair right now. So I took the twist out, and I want to show you some ways that I've been wearing headscarves this week, because it's better for me to wear headscarves and try to manipulate my hair in any way. I just want to manipulate my hair as least as possible. So this is a silk scarf, and I'm going to take the silk scarf and just put it at the back of my head. And I use the Mielle avocado moisture milk to just help me make my hair more malleable, soft enough for me to move. And I just moved it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. I didn't smooth it with any like gel or anything like that. And I'm going to take the scarf, and I just have a bit of hair hanging out right here. It's already like smashed that way from me wearing it this way previously. And I'm just gonna tie it one time, and I'm gonna tuck this here, and I'm gonna tuck this here, and then I'm gonna take this. This is a soft jersey material scarf. I'm going to take this scarf and I'm going to put it at the back of my head. Hi. And then I'm taking the two ends and I'm going to tie them. Through there. And tie it the same way I did the first scarf, leaving that bang out. And then I'm going to take these two ends and I'm going to wrap them on either side and tuck them. Just arrange it. I'm just going to arrange it the way I want it. And there we go. This is how I wore my scarf to work today. And I took out two little pieces right here, and I put some Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic on it to curl these two little pieces here. And so this is scarf, a way I wear scarf number one, style number one. Okay, I'm gonna take this scarf again, and I'm gonna put it at the back of my head. Oh, it fell right down. I'm going to put it at the back of my head, and I'm going to tie it underneath. Okay, then I'm going to tuck these two little pieces in. I'm going to take this flap back here from the scarf and I'm going to tuck it in. So my scarf underneath is like this. And then take this second scarf. I'm not sure where to tell you all to get it. I won the scarf in a raffle. And it's actually folded in half. So the scarf is folded in half. I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it at the back of my head. And then I'm going to take it, I'm going to place it underneath my hair. So it's underneath my hair. And then I'm going to take it and these two ends, I'm going to take them and I'm going to twist them. So I'm going to twist it, and then the way that it's starting to buckle, that's the way that I'm going to take it. And I'm just going to go like this. And this is my husband's favorite way for me to wear like a scarf. So yeah, and then I just take my hair and I just pull it out to however I feel comfortable with it. And this is how I wore my hair the first day after my wash day and my hair didn't turn out right. So yeah, it's another cute way. So for this next way, I'm going to take some hair from right here and I'm going to put 2 twists in it, just very loosely, not really tight. And I'm just going to take these 2 twists and I am going to take a bobby pin or just a hairpin. These are wider, so I guess they're hairpins. Take 2 hairpins and I'm going to pin that hair right there. You see it's right there. Now I'm going to take my silk scarf leaving this part out. I'm going to tie the rest of my hair down. Okay. Yeah. Leaving that part out. And I am going to put this scarf on here. Of course, you know, if I was going to actually wear this, I wouldn't put the red scarf underneath it. But I'm going to put this scarf on here. And I'm going to take the 2 ends of the scarf. And I'm just going to roll it. And then I'm going to wrap it around. Okay, you all, I am wrapping the scarf into like a Cinnabon shape, and that's the best way I can describe it. Just wrapping it around itself, wrapping it around the middle. I also want to take this time to say thank you for watching this far, and just a little bit of info about me. I've been natural for 10 years, but right now I am recovering from henna damage. So I got a medium chop, big chop, whatever you want to call it, but scarves have been awesome throughout my journey. And then I'm going to tuck, and let me turn around and show you what it looks like. And of course, like, if I was going to do this, I probably would use a wig cap. I would use a wig cap, and I'll probably do two strand twist on all my hair to make it flatter. But for the sake of showing you how I would tie my scarf, just in this particular style, like, yeah, here it goes. And that little knot, like, I've done it on like different sides of my head and all kinds of crazy stuff. Okay, this next way I'm gonna do it is, I'm gonna see if I can still do it, is a way that I did my hair on July 4th 2 years ago. And I had to do this because I actually, and I'm taking apart the scarf while I'm talking, I actually have been using a protein rich product for like over a year or so, unintentionally, and eventually I had like this buildup of protein and also buildup from it being such a heavy rich product and hard water, so I had like a triple whammy. So my hair was super brittle and super dry, so I just started putting it away because I just didn't know what to do with it at the time. So, but here's the scarf, the full scarf, and I'm just going to take the full scarf and put it towards the back of my head, and then I'm going to take the 2 ends, I'm going to tie it, and I just want to leave that little portion out where I did two strand twists on my hair. And I want to actually do like I'm tying a shoe. I'm going to take this piece right here, this loop, I created a loop with it. And I'm going to take this piece right here. I'm going to go around it. Okay. And then tuck this piece back under here. I hope it's not really confusing. The same way I would tie a shoe. And then I have 2 big loops. And I can just tuck the excess pieces wherever I want. But I want to tuck them under. Tuck that excess piece under. And there's still something right there. And then I just have a big bow right here. And I actually think it looked a lot better. Well, I know it looked a lot better with the original scarf that I did this with, but I don't have that scarf anymore. So I wouldn't suggest doing this with like a jersey scarf like this one, like a cotton scarf like this one. That scarf that I used to do it initially was made out of a stiffer material. I'm not sure what the material was, but I wouldn't do this type of hairstyle usually with something that has like this jersey fabric that's kind of loose like that. I don't know, but maybe it's cute. I don't know. But yeah, you see the picture of wherever I put it, the picture of how it looked when I did it with a stiffer fabric. Oh, let me show you the back of this. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video of different ways that I tie headscarves when I don't have a hair day that I'm happy with. And maybe it can help you get some ideas as to some creative ways that you can wear headscarves and things when your hair doesn't turn out the way you want it to. Because one of the major reasons why people with kinky hair like mine, I've noticed, have really bad damage is because we go out of our way to try to smooth and pull and braid and tightly twist and do all these things to try to make our hair look more uniform and socially acceptable. And it's like, no, don't do that. If that hairstyle doesn't turn out right after you've already put like a base product in it, like a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizing gel like Uncle Focus Daughter or something like that, Curly Magic, after you put that in there and the hair doesn't turn out right, once it dries, maybe you can just throw on a headscarf. I don't know, it works for me. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Bye bye.